Hi there guys, this is Adrian here from IAmJadoreTV, and this video just to explain how to install my presets. This will also work for any XMP file type, so this will work across the board. But without further ado, let's get into it. So this method that I'm going to show you guys, this is on a Mac, but the exact same process you can do on Windows. It's the exact same file names and everything, so you just do the exact same thing on a Windows computer. So as you can see on the left panel here, the IAmJadoreTV presets are not installed. So you want to click Lightroom, or you can click Edit and Preferences. You then want to click on Show Lightroom Develop Presets, and then click on Settings. This is where you want to paste the IAmJadoreTV presets into. So whether you downloaded them to, you just want to drag that folder into the settings there, and then you want to click off of everything, and then you want to restart Lightroom, so that activates the presets to show up. So once you've restarted Lightroom, we'll wait for it to come back up just so I can show you how it's supposed to look. As you can see on the left, they're now installed. So let me know what you guys think. Let me guys know how they're coming up on your files and everything. But this works for any XMP file type. And just to add that the presets are a starting point, they are not a finishing point. So don't expect to apply these and it'll be the end of your editing. I mean, in some cases, if the lighting is perfect, like this picture right here, all four of them do work quite perfectly with it, but just remember it's a starting point. And these images are based on good lighting, where the images are nearly correctly exposed, more for beach and greenery vibes. That's the sort of my vibes that I like to shoot. Obviously I use a Canon, so these are based on Canon colors, but they should work, and I've tested them on other files and they do work great as well. Just bear that in mind when you're using these presets. Also guys, don't forget to use the code YouTube1 for 30% off your purchase. That is just for you guys on my channel, so definitely don't forget to use that on checkout, and then you'll get a nice 30% off my first preset pack. But definitely guys, tag me in your photos when you're using these. Use the hashtag IAmJadoreTV presets so I can see all of them. And thank you guys for the support on my first preset pack. And definitely guys, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.